This is OPPO A1 and today I will show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to start, open whatever search engine you prefer using. In my case, that is going to be Google. Then input the Fortnite APK query. Amongst the search results, look for epicgames.com or fortnite.com official websites. Then open the web page and it should automatically suggest to download the file. So accept the file download once this dialog window appears. Tap at the download anyway option. Then open the file. Try installing it. Prior to doing so, you will need to allow Google Chrome or any other browser you use to install unknown apps. So then confirm the Epic Games Store installation. Upon installing the app, launch it. Enter the Fortnite game details page by, tapping at the Fortnite, and then tap at the install button over there as well. Before installing the Fortnite, as you can see, the system asks that we allow Epic Games Store as the trusted source for the app installation, the same we did for Google Chrome. So let's turn this switch on, then confirm the Fortnite installation, and upon installing the Fortnite, you will need to launch the game itself and wait for it to download all remaining updates, resources, and what's not. And after those additional downloads will be finished, you will be finally able to start playing the game. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.